Hello, in this video I want to show you how to create and remove user accounts on Chuwi GemiBook Pro. And to do this, we'll need to launch our start and go to the settings. Right here, we'll need to find the accounts. Then on the bottom of the page, we should find something like other accounts, other users. Here we can add another user to our laptop. It should pop open a window and now they can log in with their Microsoft account. If you don't have them, then you can create one without it. So click on I don't have this person sign in information and then select add user without Microsoft account. You can enter their name right here. It's optional to add the password, so you can leave it empty if you don't want any password on this account. Click on next, and as you can see, it's added to the list. In case you want to remove it, click on the arrow next to the account and then select remove, delete account and then data, and it's gone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.